If you are a staunch advocate of the transformative power that lies within the realm of habit formation, then prepare yourself for a talk that promises to enlighten and energize. Welcome, habit seekers, to a symphony of insights and discoveries. Today's expedition invites us into the labyrinthine corridors of habit construction and deconstruction. Imagine, if you will, the Holy Trinity: cue, habit, reward. But let's not just skim the surface. Now we will go deeper into this field. First, the hint, a whisper in the cacophony of existence, a harbinger of action. Imagine the scenario: a gentle call of your name, a siren song that wakes you from your inertia. Your reaction is instinctive, a well-worn groove etched into your being. You turn, you ask, you participate. All respond to the signal, the catalyst that sets the habit wheel in motion. Next, habit, a complex dance choreographed by the mind, a reflex honed through repetition. In our vignette, it is your gaze, the eager anticipation of connection. It is a ritualistic response to a cue, a familiar refrain repeated over and over again, like a well-rehearsed symphony. And finally, the reward, a tantalizing promise awaits at the end of the journey, a beacon of satisfaction that energizes the new cycle. It's the surge of dopamine, the warm glow of accomplishment, the tangible confirmation of a completed task. It is the raison d'être of habits, the nourishment that sustains our quest for consistency. Cues, habits, rewards, three simple words that encapsulate the essence of human behavior. But within that simplicity lies a profound truth: that our actions more than mere occur randomly, but are the product of a complex interaction between stimuli, responses, and reinforcement. With wise application of cues, habits will take root and become solid companions on the journey towards self-improvement. To all who dare to dream of a better tomorrow, heed these words. The power of habit lies not in its complexity, but in its simplicity. Not in its hardness, but in its adaptability. Take the hint, cultivate the habit, enjoy the rewards. For in this trinity lies the key to unleashing the full potential of the human spirit. The adventure of cultivating a new habit requires initial dedication, a commitment to unlock the rich rewards that await. Allow me to illuminate your path with a gem of intelligence, a gem crafted from the annals of behavioral science. Behold the wondrous machines of our cerebral cortex, tirelessly coordinating, tired of allocating our cognitive resources in an endless dance of efficiency. For those who yearn to greet each sunrise with the rhythmic rhythm of a morning run, consider this simple yet profound strategy. The night before, arrange your environment to beckon to you. Organize your running clothes meticulously. Each piece of clothing is a silent sentinel, waiting for its moment of purpose. As the first rays of sunlight penetrate the horizon, this visual scene serves not only as a reminder, but also as a clarion call to action, a silent pact forged in the midst of the past and now. But let us not limit our discourse to the field of physical exertion. No, let us look into the labyrinthine corridors of dietary discipline. For those seeking to curb their cravings for calorie-dense confections, the arsenal of temptations must be met with countless alternatives. Stock your pantry with nature's bountiful gifts: succulent fruits, crunchy veggies, and healthy snacks that nourish both body and soul. Let each bite be a beacon of life, a testament to your unwavering resolve in the face of the siren call of temptation. By minimizing the cognitive load required to initiate action, we pave the way for habits to take root. Every strategic move, every calculated decision serves as a linchpin in the architecture of behavioral change, a testament to the indomitable human spirit. Before you begin your exciting habit-forming journey, you need to dig deep into your motivation. What drives your desire to change? What ignites the fire inside, pushing you towards your aspirations? Too often, the siren call of changing habits falls on deaf ears, deterred by the lackluster allure of insufficient rewards. So the first step toward success lies in creating a reward that stimulates the senses, a beacon of satisfaction that beckons you with irresistible allure. Imagine it. The feeling of euphoria coursing through your veins after a workout. The crystal clear clarity of thought that comes with a nutritious midday snack. Or the warm embrace of gratefulness. Wrap your soul as you write down your daily reflections. These rewards, although seemingly different, share a common theme. They resonate deeply with your core desires, tapping into the wellspring of joy and satisfaction that lies within. And as you bask in the afterglow of each exciting experience, a subtle change happens in your mind. Gradually, imperceptibly, you find yourself longing for these moments of happiness, eagerly anticipating their arrival with each passing day. Heed the calling of your deepest desires and let them guide you toward a future filled with possibility and fulfillment. Because pursuing new habits is the key to unlocking the boundless potential hidden within each of us. Habit formation is a journey full of excitement and challenges. While we explore the art of forming new habits, let us now turn our gaze to the difficult task of eliminating old habits that no longer serve us. Fear not, because in the maze of habit modification, there is a treasure trove of strategies waiting to be unearthed. The key to breaking free from the shackles of entrenched habits lies in a simple but powerful principle. Keep the cue and reward the same, but redefine the habit. For example, consider the all-too-common situation of falling into a post-meal stupor, a habit that risks reducing our productivity and vitality. In this case, that sign manifests as mid-morning drowsiness that falls on us like a heavy shroud. And the reward? Sweet, blissful sleep, a truly tantalizing prospect. Instead of succumbing to the siren call of sleep, dare to chart a new course. Get up from your resting sitting position and start walking gently, letting the rhythm of your steps guide you toward revitalization. This simple act not only aids digestion, but also gives you abundant physical energy, a benefit for both body and soul. So as you embark on this noble quest, take solace in knowing that you are not alone. Armed with determination and strengthened by wisdom, you stand on the brink of transformation, ready to rewrite the script of your life with bold strokes of resilience and courage. These habits have the potential to catalyze a chain reaction, creating ripples of transformation that permeate every aspect of our existence. Whether it's a ritual of exertion or keeping a gratitude journal, each seemingly small act serves as a catalyst for profound change, influencing not just immediate behavior, but also permeates the very fabric of our daily lives. Consider the simple act of keeping a gratitude journal. When we write down on paper, recording our blessings and victories, we unknowingly plant seeds of positivity that germinate in the fertile soil of our consciousness. With each entry, we cultivate a mindset of abundance and appreciation, setting the stage for a series of small wins that encourage us to tackle new challenges with renewed vigor. But how do we ensure that these new habits take root and grow in the fertile soil of our subconscious? The answer lies in the power of introspection and self-awareness. Armed with pen and paper, we embark on a journey of self-discovery, unraveling the complex web of cues, habits, and rewards that underpin our daily routines. By illuminating these subconscious patterns, we empower ourselves to make conscious choices, steering our lives in the direction of our deepest desires. So, dear listeners, I pose a question to you. What habit do you want to cultivate or change? Let us embark on this journey together with courage, determination, and a steadfast commitment to growth. Thank you for exploring human psychology with me. Until we meet again, may your journey be filled with discovery, transformation, and boundless possibility.